Able to see my screen? Everybody, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So whenever you are speaking, so unmute and speak. Otherwise, please be unmute. Okay. So that everybody will not disturb. Okay. So please unmute everybody. So please mute everybody. If you want to ask any question, you can unmute and you can ask. Okay. So good evening to everybody. So today is my 9th batch evening session. So I welcome you everyone to 9th batch. Okay. So this is my 9th batch and today is the first session. Okay. So morning already one batch is over. So morning due to some disturbances, I could not able to cover. So we'll see how much you can cover today. Okay. So let me introduce myself. I am Natraj. So people call me Raj. I am from Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh. So I am having total 11 years of experience into Informatica. Currently, I am working in Bangalore, HTC Global Services, Bangalore. So I settled in Bangalore. Currently, I'm in Bangalore. Okay. So coming to my experience, I worked in HCL Technologies, Bangalore for 3 years. Step 2 Technologies, Hyderabad for 8 months. Capgemini, Bangalore for 5 years. Dell for 2 years. And HTC Global Services from past 1.5 years. Okay. This is about myself. Okay. So let's see how our session will go from today. Okay. So as I told you, we are all learning here Informatica. Okay. So it's Informatica Power Center course. Okay. So in this training, we will be what and all we will be covering in this training. Okay. So I will be covering data warehousing concepts, Oracle SQL basics, Informatica Power Center 10.2.0, basics to advanced topics, Unix basic commands, and I'll show you a mini project and you have to implement the mini project. Okay. So, and I'll prepare the resume for you and I'll give the interview questions. I'll give some test, topic wise test, and also consolidated test, and also how to apply, where to apply, how to easily crack the interview, how to manage the interview. Okay. And how to answer in the interview. All those things I'll be telling in this training. Okay. So as I told you, this is 35 days training. This is 35 days training, daily 2 hours, weekly 6 days, Sunday is holiday. Okay. So I'll be taking weekly 6 days, morning and evening. Sunday will be holiday. Okay. So before going to 1 second, please behold. Yeah. So before going into it, okay. So you have to take some initial steps. You have to finish. So by Sunday, you have to finish some initial steps. What are those? I'll explain now. Okay. The first thing, I have a website. I have my own website. That means for our training purpose. Okay. So I have developed one website. This is my website. Okay. If you see, rajinformatica.com is a website. Okay. So from Monday, today I sent a Zoom link separately in WhatsApp group. But from Monday onwards, I'll not send any WhatsApp groups. Okay. Sorry, I'll not send any Zoom links in the WhatsApp groups. Okay. So what you have to do is, okay, you have to take the Zoom links. Okay. You have to download the zip files, everything from this website. Okay. Now, as an initial step, what you need to do? First, what you need to do? Open Google Chrome. So please listen carefully. Okay, because from Monday you have to complete this by Sunday. Okay. So from Monday, I will not send any Zoom link to you, please. Okay. So please observe what I'm saying. So open Google Chrome. In that, open your Gmail, log into your Gmail. Okay. Log into your gmail.com. Whatever the Gmail ID you have given to me, you log into that Gmail ID. Okay. After logging into Gmail ID, then rajinformatica.com you open, please. Once you open, click on login, sign up. Okay. If you are already logged in, then just log in. If you did not open, if you're open first time, then sign up. Once you sign up, okay, then log in with your Gmail ID. Just click on your Gmail ID. Your Gmail ID will like this, it will show. Okay. It will show like this. This is the first step, please. Okay. So first open Google Chrome. log in with your Gmail ID password, then open rajinformatica.com and sign up and sign in by using same Gmail ID. Once you are done, then download the Zoom software. You type in the Google, download Zoom software. Download Zoom software, download it from here. Okay, you have to download it. Once you download, install the Zoom software. Install the Zoom software. Once you install the Zoom software, you have to create an account in the Zoom software. Like you will create an account in Gmail, wherever, whatever the Gmail ID you have given to me, you have to create a Zoom link. You have to create a Zoom account with that Gmail ID. If you have already an account, then log in. If you don't have it, then download it, create an account with the same Gmail ID you have given to me, same Gmail you have logged into rajinformatica.com, okay, and log into that. After that, once you completion of the steps, then you will get an email like this. You will get an email from me like this. How? This is how you will get. This is how an email ID will get it. If you see this, okay. So hello, your gmail.com. Thank you for joining our live online Informatica training at Raj Informatica. Your enrollment ID is 9629. Like this, you will get a unique enrollment ID for everyone. After that, what you need to do, you need to click on register. Once you get an email like this, almost everybody got an email. Last 5-6 people, whoever joined after 6 o'clock, I did not send maybe. Okay. So I will send you after some time, but almost all you got an email, I guess. Okay. So click on this registration link. Once you click on this registration link, you will get like this. You will get the like this. Now write your first name, last name, email address, confirm your email address, phone number, and enrollment ID. This enrollment ID you have to give here. If you give the wrong enrollment ID, wrong Gmail ID, I will not approve, please. The Gmail ID, whatever you have given to me, the enrollment ID, whatever you have got it, you have to put it, register. Once you register, I will get a approval mail. I will approve it. So that is what you have to do by Sunday. Okay. Next. So what you need to do, again I'm explaining. So open Google Chrome, log in with the Gmail first. Once you are logged in with the Gmail, then open rajinformatica.com, sign up and sign in with the same Gmail ID. Then download the Zoom software. This is very important, please. Download the Zoom software and create a link. If you don't do this step, this will not work. So you have to create the same Zoom, you have to create a Zoom account with the same Gmail ID. Once you got it, once you've done this, then I will send an enrollment ID from my website. You will get an enrollment ID. Okay. Once you got the enrollment ID, okay, that means like this, you will get an email. Raj Informatica update, your enrollment ID got generated. Like this, you will get it. Then click on this registration link. Once you click on this registration link, you will get this form. You give your first name, last name, email ID, and confirm email address, whatever you have given to me, and phone number and email, enrollment ID, register. Once you register, I will approve. This is what you have to do. Are you clear what you need to do? Everybody, please. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts
Yes,
in this,
sir.
please?
No, sir.
Next, from Monday, what you have to do? From Monday, after completion of all the steps. Okay. Once you complete, once I approve, you will get one more email that your registration link got approved. You will get an one. Once you're done, next session is on Monday. There is no session on Saturday, Sunday this week. Next session is on Monday. So Monday, you have to open rajinformatica.com. If you are already, if it is not logged in, log in. Okay, log in with your Gmail ID. You no need to type anything. You have to select it. That's it. Once you select it, you will see 4 courses. You are in 9th batch, right? Yes or no? Are you in 9th batch? Or 8th batch? You are in
Yes,
9th
sir.
9th batch. Okay. So this
Yes,
students, are you seeing the student section here? This student section is yourself, but this is for yours. Okay. Go to your dashboard. You can change your image if you want. Okay. Go to my profile. You can change your image. Okay. And also you can give your phone number. You can give your biodata, all these things. Once this is done, okay, what you need to do now, from Monday, go to student section. Are you seeing join live session? Are you seeing join live
Yes,
session?
sir. Yes, sir.
Click on this join live session. If you are on morning batch, you enrolled, click on morning. If you are enrolled for evening, click on evening. Then you will get the meeting ID password. Yes or no? Is right? Now, what is the instruction here? Read the instruction always. See, download the Zoom app on your device. You already downloaded. Then join using meeting ID password given below. You take the meeting ID, copy the meeting ID. Don't copy the password, type the password. If you always, you have to, one thing, be clear, please. You have to download the Zoom app only. You should not use Chrome. You should not use Chrome to join, Google Chrome or Internet Explorer to join. You have to join from Zoom app only. From daily basis, suppose 7:30 the session. Try to join at 7:15. Come to students, join live session, select your session, take this ID password. 7:15, you please join. Exactly at 7:30, I will start the session. Okay. After 2-3 days, 7:15 only I will start. Because if you have any doubts, you can share your screen for 15 minutes. I will rectify all your problems. Okay. If you share your screen for 15 minutes, 7:15 to 7:30 evening, morning 9:15 to 9:30, we'll see for the desktop sharing. Okay. After that, I'll exactly start at 9:30 or 7:30. Okay. This is about what you need to do. This is on you now. This is what you need to do. Will you do it, please? Everybody?
Yeah, sure.
Yes,
Sir.
Okay. You have to do.
Sure.
If you don't do this, you cannot join to the class, please. If you don't do this, you cannot join the session. Okay.
Yeah.
So remember that always use the same Gmail ID everywhere. Gmail ID which you have given, same Gmail ID, login, sign up and login rajinformatica.com, create a Zoom link and also log in here. Okay. And use the meeting ID password. This is what you need to do. Clear, please? Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, in rajinformatica.com, what you will get on daily basis? From this website, what you will get on daily basis? As I told you, recording videos will be provided only first class to 8th class, first session to 8th session. After 8th session, I will not providing any recording videos. If you see the videos and if you do it, there is no use. You will not get the jobs. You have to do individually. 1 to 8, why I am giving is because Informatica is very new to you. Okay, you have to, because initially some problems will come. That's why I'm giving. Okay, so for your purpose, I am giving. Where that will be. Okay, after 8th session, you have to join the live session space. You have to join the live sessions. Every day live session only, but 1 to 8 you will get it. Where you will get it? Go to students. Are you seeing enrolled courses? Are you seeing enrolled courses?
Yes.
Click
Yes,
on
sir.
enrolled courses. Click on enrolled courses. If you are from 9th batch morning, now you are in 9th batch evening. Click on 9th batch evening. Suppose I am showing you 8th batch. Click on 9th batch evening. Think that this is 9th batch evening. Here you are seeing here Introduction to Informatica Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, Lesson 5. Are you seeing? Okay. After finishing of every lesson, okay, after finishing of 1 to 8 lessons, you can see the video here. You click on this. When you click on this, the video will come here. Okay. So you can play here itself. You can play here and the video will play with audio. I just unmuted. Okay. The video will play here. You can see the video and also a zip file. It is there. A Google Drive link is there here. Is a Google Drive link is there? Yes. This is a zip file. Daily, you will get a zip file. Daily material, you will get a zip file. Click on that zip file. Click on it. It will download directly to your desktop, your laptop, wherever you want, you save it. Wherever you want to save it, I saved it. Now, what is there in this zip file? Okay. What is there in this zip file? If you see documents, see, this is a zip file. Today, I will embed this zip file in the 9th batch, morning and evening both. Okay. Now extract this. Okay. So once you extract, what you will get like this, you will get in this one. In this, whatever I am showing today, PPT, notes, and whatever the Excel sheet I am showing, that I will send it to you. So like this, you will get total 30 sessions. All the 30 sessions, you will get zip files daily basis like this. If you see, like this daily zip file, you will get it. Session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. If you see, there are n number of files in this. Okay, all these things will be useful for you. You see, okay. If I show you this, there are these many things I'll send on the daily basis. Okay, whatever I show you in the in the class, I will send you everything to you. So no need to worry. You will get good notes. Okay. So next, after this. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes, please. Yeah.
So after you explaining the class, only that material will be downloaded or anytime?
Yeah, after session only. After session only.
After
Not
the
before.
session?
Yeah,
After
after
the
the
session.
session.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
Morning maybe at 12 o'clock. Evening
Okay.
maybe at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, okay. After the session, the specified document only download.
Will be here. Will be here.
Yeah,
Where? Okay, here. So
Yeah, okay.
you can go to anywhere. See here. If you go to join live session also, it will be there. If you go to join live sessions also, it will be here also. See,
Okay,
evening
okay.
night session. Here also it will be. See,
So after
here.
completion the session only, we can download that.
You can get it. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
So see lesson 1. Just I did. There is no video for this in the 9th batch, and there is no Zoom link. Okay. After completion of the session, you will get it. Okay. So that is one thing. So that it will be this course access will be lifetime access. It will be there for you. Okay. So it's not like after the course I'll remove the access. No, it will be lifetime access. After this, next. So normally I'll be trying to put the quiz section here. Are you seeing the quiz section? If you go back to 8th batch, okay. If you go back to 8th batch, I'll show you the 8th batch quiz. Okay. I'll show you quiz section. So like this, this is in progress still. Maybe this 8th batch ends. Okay. So I'll complete this quiz section. If you open this quiz, it's a topic wise quiz. If you see, you can write the test here. So like this, you can write it. You can select. Okay, like this, you can select. So whatever, I'm just selecting randomly. You can select like this, and you can write a test yourself. Once the topic is over, once you complete the practice of the topic, you can write the test yourself. Okay. Once you write the test, the results also it will show here. Submit. Are you seeing the results? Okay. Like this, you can see where you are doing mistakes, where you are lagging in the session, so that if you write the test, topic wise test will be there, and also topic wise test will be there, and also consolidated 2 tests I will prepare. Okay. So that if you write the test before you go into the interview, you can easily select in the interview. Will that help you? Do you think the test will help you?
Yes,
You can
sir.
attempt the
Yes,
test.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You can attempt the test 3 or 4 times, not only one time. I'll give the access 3 to 4 times to attempt every test. I'll give. No training will give this access. They will give the training, but they will not. This is not very easy to prepare the questions. Okay, it will take so much of time, but I'll spend some time for you. Okay, and I'll prepare all the 30 sessions. 30 quiz sections will be there. Okay, and consolidated test will be there. Whatever they will ask in the interview, as I'm having 11 years of experience, I know what they will ask in the interview. Okay, all those things I will put in the form of quiz. Okay, you try to understand the questions, answer it. Okay, and understand the questions, answer it. Okay, so that after you complete the test, you will get the answers also, so that you can see where you are doing mistake. After that, once you complete all the 30 sessions, okay, you can download the course completion certificate also from website. After completion of all the 30 sessions, you can download the course completion certificate that you can share in the LinkedIn or whatever, Facebook, if you want. Okay, that certificate I will give from Raj Informatica training. Okay, that is about website. Are you clear, please? Any doubts in the website?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, please?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
We'll get a certificate of course completion, right? After this session.
Course completion certificate, you will get it. Yes.
Okay.
But
for
there
the
is-
mini projects, can we get any certificates? Is there any?
Come again?
For the mini projects?
For mini
Whatever
projects,
you-
I will give the
whatever-
resume, right? I'll give the
Yes,
resume.
yes, sir.
There I will mention the
Okay.
projects.
Shall we mention in that?
Yeah, I will mention. I will already give the projects to you,
Okay.
and I will tell you how to
Okay.
explain the project in the interview. Okay. You no
Okay,
need to worry. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Are you clear about these things? What website contents?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Any doubts, please? So I can tell that you complete this one as soon as possible. Don't complete. Normally people will complete 9:30 session means 9:15 they will come and they will tell that I don't have access. Whatever it is there, okay, you complete this. Once you got the Zoom ID and password, you join and see what you are getting and send the screenshot to me. If it is correct means I'll tell, so that Monday onwards it will go smooth. Are you clear, please? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next. Okay, so this is now installation links, please. Installation. You have to complete the installation by Sunday evening. Try to complete the installation. If you have laptops, try to complete the installation by Sunday evening. Okay, so what you want to do? The minimum system requirement is 4 GB RAM. Sorry, 8 GB RAM. It's 8 GB, 6 GB. The minimum requirement is 6 GB RAM. Suppose if you have 4 GB RAM, you cannot install Informatica. Don't try. It's a time waste process. We have tried many times in previous batches. Please go on mute. When you are not speaking, please mute it. Don't unmute. When you want to ask the question, please unmute and ask. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is, so if you have 4 GB RAM in your laptop, don't try to install. It's waste of time. Take that to the laptop shop. Ask them to put one more 4 GB. Don't take 2 GB. Take 4 instead of taking 2 GB. Take 4 GB. So that next 2-3 years, your laptop will be working for any other technology also. Okay. So if you have 6 GB RAM already, no need to upgrade. Let it be 6 GB only. If you have 4 GB, then please go ahead and upgrade it to 8 GB. Once you've done, see, I have already shared the links, software links in the group. Again, I will share once again. If you here also it will be there. Are you seeing installation process in the courses? In the courses, are you seeing installation process? See, please.
Yes, sir.
Click on this. Once you click on this, you will get an installation video and also download links. Either you can do like this or in the WhatsApp group. Again, I will send these to Informatica Oracle 11G link and also Informatica 10.2.0 link. I will send you. You can download and you can install yourself by seeing that video. Okay. So this is a step-by-step video which I created by myself. Okay, for you people, I created the video. You go through the video and you have to do yourself. Try to install it yourself. If you get any doubts, then you text me separately or post the error screenshot in the group. Okay, people will help you. If you already installed, if you found this error, okay, previously while install, if anybody has the same error, try to help them. Okay, that's how we will help each other in our group. Okay, this is how our training will go from today. This is about installation. You have to download and install Oracle 11G. You have to download and install Oracle SQL Developer. You have to download and install Informatica Server and Informatica Client. This is what you need to do it. Okay, as I told you, you will get a zip file daily basis. That means in the website itself. You no need to ask anything to me. Everything will be available in website. Okay, no need to wait for anything. Everything will be in the website. So no need to worry. Okay. Now, so actually, if I say about my batches, this is my 9th batch. First batch I started in May 2011. So 2011, I started my first batch. It was with 25 people. On the first day, I had only 9 people. First day of my session started with 9 people. Okay, and once I complete the first batch, it was 25 people. Second batch, 34 people. Third batch, 64 people. Okay, fourth batch, 82. Fifth batch, 101 or 2. Sixth batch, 105. Seventh batch, 115. Eighth batch, 160. Ninth batch, already 120 or 130 people joined. Next 1 week, we will get at least 150. I'm thinking 150 people will be there. Okay, so this is so getting 150 people is not a small thing. Okay, simply 150 people will never join. If they think that my training is good, they will refer others and they will join. Okay, same way you might have also joined. Okay, so I'm saying you will get the best training from. I promise you, you will nowhere you have seen this kind of training. Nowhere means nowhere. You will get that kind of training You will tell to me after 15 days, I will ask the review, I will ask the feedback about my interview, my training. Okay, you will give the feedbacks. I can proudly say till now, I have all the batches. If I count it, 750 to 800 people will be there. Okay, I did not get a single negative review. I can proudly say that I did not get a single negative review. Okay, so fine, that is fine. But okay, what you need to do is, okay, as I told you, this is a job-based real-time training. Job-based means once the training is completed, you have to get the job for sure. You have to get the job. How you will get the job? By doing the practice and hard work. I will not give any proxy. I will not help you in interview. I will not do anything, but I will give the best training. I will give the interview questions. I'll give the resume. I'll tell how to prepare for the interview. I will tell how to crack the interview, how to answer in the interview. Take all these things to me and place the resume in the Naukri Monster LinkedIn. You will get the calls. Okay, you will easily select in the first interview. If you do whatever I say, you will select in the first interview. I can say almost from past batches, whoever joined for a job, whoever have interested, whoever have practiced, whoever have did hard work, whoever completed the mini project, they have all got the jobs. 400 plus people got the jobs. In that, almost I can say half of the people got the job, got the offer in first attempt. In the first interview, few people, that is the first interview from their life, they got it. Okay. The only thing you have to do is practice. You have to listen first carefully what I'm saying. You take a room, lock your room, put your mobile in silent. Don't talk anything in your mobile while in the session. Just 2 hours, you please concentrate on the session. Listen whatever I'm saying, so that you will easily select in the interview. After completion of the, only you have to listen. You no need to do anything in the sessions. Just open Zoom app in laptop. Always watch the sessions in laptop only. Don't watch in mobiles. If you watch in mobiles, the screen will be less, the screen will be small, and you cannot understand whatever I'm saying. You cannot see whatever I'm saying. So try to attend in the laptops only. Okay. 2 hours. After 2 hours, in the 2 hours, I'll be telling this is an important interview question. In this topic, they will ask like this. Those things, you take a pen and paper and you can note it down. But that you will get it in the form of notes, okay, on the PPTs. Okay. So just listen carefully. Listening is important, please. If you listen carefully, then 50% of the problems will go. So after listening, after the session is completed, suppose today 9:30, first session is over. Next session is maybe suppose Monday, second session will over. Next session is on Tuesday, suppose. Okay. You will be having 24 hours time. This 9:30 to 22 hours time, it will be today 9:30 to next day 7:30. You have to practice in between. Any time you have to practice. So don't ignore the practice. If you do the practice, if you do the hard work, if you complete my mini project, you will easily select the interview. This is keep in mind. Now I created a WhatsApp group for 9th batch. I have the WhatsApp group for 1 to 9th batches. Okay. And also I have this 9th batch group, WhatsApp group, only for Informatica related stuff. No good morning, good night messages, no happy birthday messages, no happy festival messages, nothing, please. Only if you have any doubts, you have to post in the group. If you complete any task, you have to send the screenshot in the group. If you have any errors, you have to post in the group. That's it, please. Okay. And strictly, I will follow this. Okay. If you do again and again, doing the forwarded message, okay, all these things I'll remove from the group. Okay. So please be careful. Always use this for Informatica only. That's it. And I have a consolidated Telegram group. All my first batch to 7th batch students, I have a consolidated Telegram group. That means, so WhatsApp will allow 255 people. Okay. But that's why Telegram will accept unlimited people. That's why I create a Telegram group. After a few days, I will send a link for this Telegram group. You can also join. If you have any referrals, if you have any referrals, you can post them. People will be posting referrals, previous batch people, you can take them. And if you have any questions, you can ask them. Okay, all these things you can do in the Telegram group. Okay, this is about group. After this, maybe tomorrow morning or evening, I will create 5 WhatsApp groups. What are those 5 WhatsApp groups? One is 9 to 12 p.m., 12 p.m., 12 p.m. to 2 a.m., 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., 9 a.m. to 12 a.m., 9 p.m. to 12 a.m., 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. Okay, I will create. What you need to do is, once the session is completed, join any one of the group, join any one of the WhatsApp group. I'll send the WhatsApp group links. Join any one of the WhatsApp group link. And suppose 12 to 2 p.m., 10 people are free on the daily basis. 12 to 2 p.m. afternoon, 10 people are free in our group. They will all be in the WhatsApp group. And once I complete the session at 11:30 or whatever it is, once I complete, they'll take some half-hour break and they will join in the group and they will create a Zoom ID, they'll create a Zoom link and they'll send in the group. And these people, what they will do, they will discuss about whatever the yesterday session happened. Okay, they will discuss, okay, and they will practice. One people will be sharing a screen, other people will be seeing, and if you do any mistake, others will rectify, others will help them. Same way, you have to help others also. Okay, so that when you practice in the group, you will get the job very easily. Okay, I will tell one example. There was one 5th batch or 6th batch. There are 4 or 5 people are there. There are 6 people are there. Okay, 5 or 6 people in the batch. What they were doing, they were daily creating the Zoom link on the daily basis. They'll be practicing. So one guy got a job actually. They'll be discussing the interview questions. They'll be discussing where are the openings are there, when is the interview. They'll be discussing everything. Okay, one guy got the job and he referred another guy. He referred another guy. 3 people joined in the same company. 3 people selected in the same company and other 2 people selected in different company. Okay, so why I created the practice sessions is, it will be very important for you. When you go to the real time, you have to work as a team. Suppose in this 12 to 2 p.m. WhatsApp group, there are 10 Telugu speaking, local language speaking guys will be there. Don't speak in Telugu. Speak in English only, so that whatever the English you know, you speak, please. If you don't know English also, you try to speak. Whatever you chat in the WhatsApp in English only, right? Try like that, you please speak it so that your communication skills will improve. Once your communication skills improve, you can easily select the interview. And when you go to the project also, your communications will be good. Okay. So take these practice sessions. Okay. And practice in the group always. When you practice in the group, it will be easy for you to get a job. Okay. You have all the numbers, call them. Okay. So maybe they are next to you. Okay. They're in your same city. Okay. They are next to your home. We don't know. Okay. So speak with them, call them, speak with them. Okay. Make friends. Okay. And join in the groups and discuss everything. Discuss about interview questions, discuss about the sessions, everything you can discuss and you can easily get a job. Okay. Do you think this one will help you? Do you think, please?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
please take it forward, because I wanted to create a real-time
Yes, sir,
scenario.
it will absolutely help us.
Yes, it'll be real-time. Like when you go to the projects, you have to speak in English only. Maybe in office you can speak in Telugu. At least in meetings, you have to speak in English only. English is important. Okay, I am not saying it's mandatory, but it is important. Okay, whatever the communication skills, this 35 days, you try to speak with the people. You do the wrong. See, nobody, I am not perfect. I am saying I am not perfect. Same way, nobody will perfect. Everybody, see, English is not my mother tongue. Okay, so I'm not asking you to speak hi-fi English, like US English or UK English, not required. Just speak normally like what I'm speaking. Okay, that's it. That is more than enough. Communication is important. Whatever you are speaking the English, the other person should understand. That is called communication skill. That's it. If you have it, then that is more than enough. You no need to speak hi-fi English. If I speak hi-fi English, you will not understand my sessions at all. That's why my English will be very simple. Okay, it will be understandable to everyone who don't know English also, they can understand. Okay, that's how my English. Same way, same English, you try to, in the groups at least, try to speak in English, whatever it is. When you are asking the questions in the session, suppose you have a question, try to ask whatever the English. Don't shy, please. Whatever English, okay, you have to learn it. No, first of all, what others will think about you, leave it. Okay, if they are thinking means that is their problem. So you have to speak. That's it. No, don't bother about others. Just ask the question in English. I will understand your English, whatever you speak, and I will ask your question. Okay. That is about these groups. You please practice in those groups. Okay. Go on mute, please. Okay. After that, next. Okay. So as I told you, you have to practice. You have to practice, practice, practice. There is no other shortcut way than practice in Informatica. I am saying Informatica and Oracle is very easy. Okay. A 9th standard guy can understand and he can work on Informatica. If I give this coaching to a 9th standard student, a 9th or 10th standard student, he can easily learn. It is far better than our mathematics.
Sorry,
okay?
sir. Sorry,
Yes, please.
sir.
Yes.
Can you move forward a front, move up, sir? Scroll up, sir.
Okay.
I didn't understand this is practice sessions means 9 to 12, 3 to 6, 6 to 9.
Yeah, these are the WhatsApp groups. You have to join any one WhatsApp group and call the people in that WhatsApp group and ask them the free time. Okay. And create a Zoom link and join in the Zoom and practice with them. That's it.
Thank you, sir. Sorry.
Okay. So you don't join in all group space. If you don't join in all groups, doing nothing is waste. Join one or two based on your free timing, then call them, post in the group that at what time you people are free. Based on all the free times, you create a Zoom link and join in the Zoom link and share your desktop, do it in front of them so that you can practice easily. Okay, that's what this. So I am saying Informatica and SQL is very easy. Oracle SQL and Informatica is very easy. In this training, we have BE, BTech people completed already. MCA, you could have completed MCA or MBA. You could have completed BCA or BCom or BSc, whatever it is. Okay. In BTech or BE, at least 50 plus subjects will be there. In MCA, MBA, at least 20 plus subjects will be there. In degree, at least 15 plus subjects will be there. Okay. You are all read about those things, understand those things, written the exam, and you have passed and you have joined somewhere. When you are able to complete 50 subjects, we are dealing with only 3 subjects. In our training, to get the job in Informatica, you need only 3 subjects. One mute, please. Yeah, I removed them. If you are speaking again and again like this, I just remove. That's it. So that you cannot attend. When I remove you, you will not attend this session again. When you try to join again, it will show host is already removed. You cannot join. Okay. So I can give 3-4 chances. If you are wantedly doing means, I just remove them. That's it. So because of one person, there are how many? 63 people are there. 62 people should not suffer. Okay. So done. Okay. Leave it. Okay. So what I'm saying, so 3 subjects, it's very easy to learn. That too, we are concentrating more into Informatica Oracle. That's it. Unix very less. So I'm saying it is very easy. It is very easy. If it is not easy also, I will make you easy. I'll explain in the easiest manner. So no need to leave all your worries now. So people are having these kind of worries. I don't have communication skills. I have huge career gap. I'm 2010 passed out. I'm 2015 passed out. I'm 2020 passed out. Okay, I have from 10th to plus 2, I have 2 years gap. From inter to degree, I have 2 years gap. Whatever the gap, whatever you are passed out, you no need to worry. Okay, you will get a job. When you do the practice. When you do the practice, the thing, simple thing, please. You should have a skill. The company should have the requirement. If you have the skill, company have the requirement, you will select. Simple. Okay. So leave all your worries. And few people will be already having Oracle, they know, and they'll be fearing about queries. You no need to fear about queries. Queries are very easy. I'll make you very easy, don't worry. Okay. So leave all your worries, please. Okay, leave all your worries. If you don't know Oracle, if you don't know Informatica, if you don't have communication skills, leave about it, please. Okay. So leave it. Leave all your worries. Come in a positive mind. Practice, practice, practice. Okay. 35 days. If you sleep night, if you sleep late at night, nothing will happen. 35 days, sleep 2 hours late. What will happen? You will get a job. What else you want? You joined. You are spending so much of money here. You are spending so much of time here. You should not waste your money and time. Okay. Your goal will be, what is your goal? After, suppose April end, our session will end. After 35 days means maybe April 25th or April 30, our session will end. Before May 30th, you should get a job. Before May 30th, you should target for a job. And in first attempt, you should select in the interview. If you don't select, next interview you will select. If you don't select in 5 interviews, go for 6th interview, you will select. If you don't select in 10 interviews, go for 11th, you will select. Don't drop in between, please. You will select for sure, I'm saying. I know 400 people who got the jobs. I talk with them personally. If any guy got the job in my training, they will first call to me. I got a job, they will tell. Okay. Then I ask them, in which interview you got the job? Like the 200 people, they got in first round itself. First interview itself. Few people, yes. One guy, he is very good at Informatica, he is very good at Oracle, but first 10 interviews he did not, I don't know. There will be n number of reasons. Okay, he did not join, he did not get selected. But 11th interview, he got very good package than other 10 interviews. Okay, waiting for 2 months, it got him, okay, he got him very good package. So doors will be always open for you. If one door is closed, another door will open. Don't think that all doors are closed. There will be a door open for you. Okay. Practice the mini project, complete the mini project, send the screenshot of the mini project in the group. If you don't get a job, then ask me, please. If you don't complete the mini project, then don't ask me, please. Okay. Whoever, you should have the interest first. I should get a job. If you have that interest, you will get a job for sure. Okay. If you think this is a college lecture, I cannot do anything because I wanted to educate you. Okay. Because these things many people don't know. Okay. Simply they will join because the trainers also like that only. Students also like that only. Trainers will give for the, suppose they will Informatica only outside. They are taking 7,000, 10,000 only. Okay. They'll tell only 1 hour. 1 hour if I tell, you will never understand anything. I'm saying. Where they will tell 30 days, they will tell 1 hour per day. 1 hour per day, 30 days, you will not get anything in Informatica. That's why I made it 2 hours per day, 30 days. It will be almost 70 hours. I'll take sometimes 2.5 hours. Sometimes it will go to 3 hours also. Okay. So you should listen carefully. That's it. Okay. I wanted to explain in the clear-cut manner. That's why I made it 2 hours. Okay. And you have the opportunity to all ask the questions. If I have 1 hour, 15 minutes will go for joining. Next half an hour, what I will tell in the half an hour? Nothing you can tell. I can tell. And when you will ask the questions, they will simply that call me back. They will not pick your call. It's not like that. No. When you join my training means you should not go with empty hands. You should learn something, you should get a job, and you should go out. That is what my goal. My goal is simple. If a person don't know anything about software industry, he should get a job. Like that, 200 plus people who don't know anything, they are from teaching backgrounds, they are from civil background, they are from mechanical background, they are from BPO, they are from call center, they got the jobs. Okay. If you have already software job, if you have already some experience, if you get a job means that is your hard work. That is not my thing. But when you don't know anything, if you get a job means that is both hard work, my hard work and your hard work. So my goal is simple. You should get the jobs at last. Okay. After completion of the job, after completion of the course, you should get a job. That's it. Okay. I will work towards that. You have to work towards that same thing. Okay. That support this. So how many hours you need to practice per day?
Sir,
I'm
one
telling
question,
them.
sir.
Yes, please.
In Informatica or Oracle Linux, is there coding available or non-coding, sir?
Very less coding. I can say zero. See, you have to write the queries. No software industry, every software technology will use at least one database, either Oracle or SQL Server. You go to any technology. You have to understand Oracle. You have to write the Oracle queries. That we will write it. Informatica, it's a tool. It's a drag and drop tool. Coding will be very less. There will be, I can say, zero coding. Unix shell scripting will be there. That is not required for 3 to 5 years. After 5 years, you can slowly learn. Otherwise, not required. You can tell that I'm not interested in shell scripting. You can say that, no problem. Okay. So no need to worry about it. Okay. I'll tell from zero. you will get it everything. Okay. So after completion of my training, you can try with 1 year experience or 2 years experience, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. They have tried and they got the jobs and they are doing the jobs. Okay. They are doing the jobs individually. So as I told you, job based, as I told you, it's a job based real-time training. Job based means I will give a training in such a way that you should get a job. Real-time training means after going to the projects, you should work without anybody's support. Nowadays, everybody wanted proxy, everybody wanted job support. If you depend on anyone, then there is no importance for you. Okay, you should not depend on anyone. You should depend on yourself only. When tomorrow if office opens, then it will be good for you, because when office is open, when it is good, because people in your team will help you. When you are at home, nobody will help you. Okay, so so that's why my training is a job based and real time. Okay, that's how this one. Okay, so I can give n number of examples. I have n number of examples who got 200% hikes. One guy, his name is Bogesh. Okay, he is from my 5th batch or 4th batch. I did not remember. Okay, he completed the training. He completed engineering in 6 years. Normally engineering in 4 years, but he completed 6 years. And he was trying for 3+ fake. He got 9 offer letters. He shown me 9 offer letters. He got 9 offer letters. It's not a small thing. Every interview is selected. Simple. Okay. In that too, he is a fake. He is not going for a real time. Okay. He got the jobs. Okay. He put almost 6 lakh per annum as the current package. He got 16 lakh. Okay. First he got 8 lakh, 9 lakh, 10 lakh, 11 lakh, like that. He increased his salary. For 16 lakh, he joined in some company. Okay. Same way, when I tell about Mohan, he is having 5.5 years of real-time experience. His package was 9 years. He joined my training. He was working for Informatica production support. Now he joined in my training in the first batch. Okay. He joined my training. Okay. And he learned Informatica development. He got 28.5 lakh in Society General. Okay. His package is 9.5. Was working in Capgemini. He got 28.5. First he got 4 operators. HCL Chennai got 16. Infosys got 19. Genpact got 23. Society General 28.5 plus 2 lakhs joining bonus. For 5 years experience guy, getting 28 lakh is not a small thing. Next 5 years, if you work also, if he works, he will not get this kind of package. So like that, there are many people got 100% hikes, 200% hikes. Many people are there. You will be also one of the people kind of that. So just focus on the hard work, believe yourself, focus on the hard work and focus on the practice. You will get it for sure. This is all about what we will deal, how the training goes, I told. Any doubts in this, please? Any doubts in this, please?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No? Are you clear? Everybody, are you
No,
clear?
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, clear.
Now,
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes, please.
So actually, can you help me for like fake certificates and all for
Yes.
fake?
I have the people. I have 2-3 people from last batches. Okay, they know few people who give the fake certificates, and also they will reliable people. Okay, they will do your background check well. I will give those numbers after a few days, maybe at last after 20 sessions. I'll give it. Whoever
Okay,
wanted,
sir.
you can ask me. If you have already, you take it with them. If you don't have anyone, I'll refer them. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
one more
certainly.
thing.
Sorry. Come again, please.
Sir, actually, one more thing. Is there any people like 1 year experience means
Yes, 1 year
who got
experience.
job?
They got it. Yes, they got 1 year experience, 1.5 years experience, 2 years experience also. No need to worry.
Okay.
Just focus on the hard work. No need to worry. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Actually, I'm working in a BPO industry, so I can use my current company
Yes.
experience
Yes. If I show you here,
when I
see,
when I
please.
go to interview.
Yes, I'll give an example. So Sonal from first batch, these 3 are friends, Deepthi, Sonal and Priyaka. They were working in different BPOs, not in the same BPO. She was working in Wipro BPO. She was working in Amazon BPO. She was working in Ensono BPO from Pune. These are from Pune. These people from Pune. They are all having 3+ experience in BPO industry. They use the same experience. They told that we have worked on Informatica, they got joined, and they are working successfully from past 6 months or 7 months. Not 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. These are from first batch. These people from first batch. Okay. So after 1 month, they got the jobs. Within a month, they got the jobs. Within a month, they got the jobs. And for the notice period, they waited 1 or 2 months. After that, maybe all these people having 7 months experience now. They are working individually without any support, with the same experience. I will give whatever what you want to do in later. Okay, how you want to explain. Okay, I will tell later. This is too early to explain that. So if you have any experience, you can use the same experience, whatever the experience. Only teaching experience, faculty experience you cannot show. Other experience you can see, you can show. I will tell how to show. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you.
And these 3 people referred their friends, 4 other people, 4 or 5 people, they also got the jobs. Okay, these 3 people for 3rd batch, 4th batch, they're friends only. Okay, so all of them got joined. One time they are close friends. Okay, so they put some 6 to 7 people, they put in a status. When they asked them, all 7 people are joined in my training. All 7 people got the jobs. They got the jobs and they are working in different companies. Okay, you no need to worry. You will also get selected. Okay. Any other doubts, please? Any other
No,
doubts?
sir, all good.
Clear? Okay. Once you complete this, now what you are learning in this training, Informatica Power Center 10.2.0. You are learning Informatica Power Center 10.2.0 and Oracle SQL basics and Unix basics. You will learn here. Once you complete this training, what role you will get it in the companies? What role you will get it? You are going as a ETL developer or a Informatica developer. ETL developer or Informatica developer, both are same. You will be going for you will not go as a ETL tester. You will not go as a Informatica administrator, Informatica admin. No, you will go as a Informatica developer. All will be Informatica developers. You will develop the Informatica mappings, workflow sessions. Okay. So this is how. So in any company, normally more people will be developers. Always more openings for Informatica developers. Okay. And less opening for Informatica administrators, less opening for ETL testers. Okay. Because more people will be there in developers. When you have more in a project, suppose there are 15 people are there in the project. In that 15 people, 8 people will be Informatica developers, 2 people will be ETL testers, 2 people will be reporting developers, and 1 DBA, 1 data architect, like that 1 manager, 1 team lead will be there. Most of the people will be developers only. So we are all developers. We will be having good calls always. Okay, that is about this. Now, what is this Informatica? Where it came? It's a ETL tool. Informatica is an ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. Okay. So what is this ETL? Where this ETL has come? What is this exactly? If I say, we have a concept called, we have a technology called business intelligence. All this reporting, all this ETL, okay, all this ETL, okay, all these things come under reporting, everything will come under, okay, will come under what? Business intelligence. Okay, now we are all working on data warehousing. Okay, so data warehousing, data mining, data visualization, data reporting, all these things will come under business intelligence. Business intelligence having these things. Now, Informatica is a data warehousing tool, or Informatica is a business intelligence tool, or a ETL tool. So if you can you will be going as a BA developer or a data warehousing developer, Informatica developer, ETL developer, any developer. That means all are same name. Name is same, please. Name is same. Okay, and name is same and different. What is it? Name is different, but your work is same. If you call them as business intelligence developer, means you are the one. If they call you as ETL developer, means you are the one. If they call it as data warehousing developer, means you are the one. Okay. Normally, there will be 2 types of tools in data warehousing. There will be 2 types of tools in BI or Informatica or wherever. See, in the BI, there will be 2 types of tools. What are those? Okay. ETL tools under BI. I'm saying under BI or data warehouse, there will be 2 types of tools. What are those 2 types of tools? ETL tools, reporting tools. What are ETL tools? Informatica Power Center, Data Stage, Talent, ab initio, SSIS, okay, SSIS, Snowflake, Matillion, okay. All these things are called ETL tools. What are the reporting tools? Tableau, Cognos, OBAE, MicroStrategy, Power BI. These are called reporting tools. If in a project, if there are 10 developers, only 2 reporting people will be there. For 10 developers, only 3 or 2 reporting people will be there. So, and ETL testers also only 2 people or 3 people will be there. So always developers will be, ETL developers will be having more openings. Okay. So ETL is a concept. ETL is a data warehousing concept. Okay. ETL is a data warehousing concept. In the data warehousing concept, what we will do, by using Informatica, we will implement ETL. By using data stage, we will implement ETL. Right? That means a tool can be anything. All are ETL tools. All these are ETL tools. We can use any tool to do the same thing. If I give an example, Android is an operating system. Android can be used in Samsung. By using Android, we can use OnePlus. By using Android, we can use Sony. By using Android, we can use Mobile. Same way, by using Informatica, we can do ETL. By using data stage, we can do EDL. By using talent, we can do ETL. That is what ETL tools means. Okay. So these are called ETL tools. If I show you what are the ETL tools we have in market, these are the ETL tools in our market: Informatica, SAS, Plenty, Ab initio, ODI, Oracle Data Integrator, IBM Data Stage, Pentaho, Talent, SAP BO Objects, MS, that means SSIS, Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services, or nowadays Snowflake, Matillion. These are all called ETL tools. Okay. Now we are learning in this training Informatica. What is Informatica? Okay. So Informatica is a software company. Like any other software company, it's a US-based, United States, America-based software company, which is located in India also. In Bangalore, it is located in Bangalore, it is located in CV Ramanagar. In Hyderabad, it is located in the high-tech city Mindspace, I guess. Somewhere, I'm not sure about Hyderabad, but in Bangalore, it is located in CV Ramanagar, Bagmani Tech Park. Okay. So Informatica is a data integration company. It is a product-based software company. Informatica is a software company. They developed all the Informatica tools. In this, we are learning about Informatica Power Center. Is my voice is very clear, or any low voice is coming?
No, it's clear.
No,
Clear,
sir.
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So because I'm not using headphones, that's why I thought, okay, fine. So what I'm saying, in Informatica company or Informatica corporation having more tools like Informatica Power Center. In that we are learning Informatica Power Center. Okay, what are the different types of tools developed by Informatica company? What are those? Informatica Cloud, that is IACS, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, Informatica ILM, Information Lifecycle Management, BDM, Big Data Management, MDM, Master Data Management, TDM, Tested Data Management, IDQ, Informatica Data Quality, and Informatica Power Center. First, they invented this one. First, Informatica is invented, Informatica Power Center. Later, they have invented everything. These are all belongs to Informatica company. Nowadays, Informatica 360, Informatica PIM, there are more things has come. Okay, so there are more tools in Informatica. Informatica is having bright future. You no need to think that when I learn Informatica Power Center, after 5 years, their Informatica Cloud, they will train you. They will train you Informatica Cloud. They will train you Informatica Cloud. You no need to learn about it. You no need to join any course. To learn Informatica Cloud, you should know Informatica Power Center. When you know Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud is very easy. I can say Informatica is there from Power Center is there from 25 years. When I was started my career at 2011 in HCL Technologies, okay, at that time I know the people who is having 15 years experience in Informatica. That means almost from 20 to 25 years onwards, Informatica Power Center is there. It's a old tool, but it's a powerful tool. Till now, many openings are there in Informatica. Okay, so in between data stage has come, gone. In between talent has come, gone. Okay, less openings there. Like Informatica, there is no openings in talent. No, there are many openings in Informatica. Okay, so Informatica is having a bright future. You no need to You don't have to think about it. Okay, you just leave all your worries, practice, practice, practice. That's it. Okay. Why I'm saying day one, if I say the same thing on day 30, then 30 days got wasted. But I am saying on the first day, okay. So because people will ignore, I am seeing many people, right? They will say they will practice, but they will not practice. Okay. If you don't practice, there is no use of joining, please. Okay. So if you join means you at least spend 4 to 6 hours, 2 hours for training, 4 hours for at least 2 hours for training, 2 hours for practice. You should somehow you should spend. I don't have time. I'm very busy. This is not the excuses you should give. If you're busy, then you will not get a job. If you're unable to spend the time, you will suffer. I will not suffer, or anybody will not suffer. So at least for yourself, you spend some time. I am not asking you to spend time for myself. You spend time for yourself and get the jobs as soon as possible. See, please, you have to get the job. That means you should not see. Normally, what people will do, they will join the course, they will listen the course. After that, after 1 month, they will read. After 1 month, they will practice. After 1 month, they will try. It should not be like that. What is the purpose of the joining to the job? You should get the jobs as soon as possible. That's it. Practice is 35 days. I will give the resume on 30th day. Post the resume in the 30th day. You will get the calls. You select in next 10 days. Finish. That's it. After that, you enjoy what is there. So please do the hard work all these days. Okay. That's what you have to do it. Okay. So next, if I come now,
Hi, Raj.
yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, Raj, I have one question regarding, Informatica Cloud. Can you share your experience? I mean, how much percentage of work has been done currently in the cloud system?
See,
So, Informatica Power Center is the foundation.
there are
Yeah.
crores of there are hundreds of companies who are using Informatica Power Center. Thousands of projects were developed by Informatica Power Center. Okay, thousands of projects, not thousands, 10,000. There will be thousands of projects developed. Okay, now they are moving slowly to cloud, but it is not so easy to move to the cloud. Next 5 years, I can say we'll be having Power Center calls. Next 5 years, we'll be having Informatica Power Center calls. But okay, after you go to the projects, they will give the training to Informatica Cloud, and they will move to the Informatica Cloud. If you know Informatica Cloud, then good. If they give training, then it's good for you. You will be having both. It's good. So you no need to think. If it is Power Center project means we'll be working on Power Center only. Cloud is a separate project. Okay. So very rarely both will use in the same project. Clear?
Okay.
As of
So
now,
currently,
you should not worry about only 10% or 20% of the projects using. If I say there are 100 projects, 80 projects are using Informatica Power Center, only 20 projects are using cloud. That's it. You no need to worry. Okay.
and
In
how
my
is the-
current company, I am still working in Informatica Power Center. I am still working on Informatica Power Center. You no need to worry. Clear, please?
Okay, and how's your experience about transitioning from Power Center desktop based tool to working on cloud system? So
It's
is it
based on
easy?
the client.
Is it
My client
challenging?
is my client is not bothering about cloud. They are okay with Power Center. My client is nowhere bothering. They did not ask to transition. Do the transition. Maybe after 2 years they will say they will get the training of the cloud. I worked on cloud also in some company in Dell, not in Dell, Capgemini. I worked on Informatica Cloud. Okay, I worked on it. Okay, so but you no need to worry about it. I'm saying. Okay, you should not worry about it. You learn Power Center.
Thank you.
Bro, sorry to interrupt. So in cloud also, right? If we are having enough knowledge in Power Center, in cloud also we can easily grasp. There
Yes,
will be
if
same
you know.
functionality. There might be different
Yes,
settings or anything, bro.
correct. So if you know Power Center, it is easy to learn cloud. Simple. Okay. So
Okay.
now focus on Power Center. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank
now,
you.
what is ETL? As I'm telling ETL, what is ETL? ETL is extract. 1 second, please. Just give me a second. Yes, please. Sorry for that. Okay. So what is the ETL? We are saying ETL, right? What is ETL? ETL means extract, transform, unload. Extract, transform, unload. Okay. What is extract? Where we will extract, from where we will extract, we'll see now. What is ETL? Extract, transform, unload. What is extract means? Go on mute, please. Okay. Extract or read or get or take the data. We will extract the data or read the data or get the data or take the data from a table or a file that is called a source. We'll extract the data from source. We'll transform the data. Transform means modify the data and load the data to the target and load the data. Load means load or write the data, process the data, put the data, all are same meanings. All are same meanings. Okay. So you can extract the data, you can read the data, you can get the data, and you can process the data. That means you can transform the data and you can write the data or load the data to the target. Extract the data from source, transform the data and load the data to the target. It is called ETL. Now, before going to ETL in depth, what is data means? What is data means?
Information.
Where you will see data normally in real time in day-to-day activities? Where you will see data?
Everywhere. Without data,
Everywhere.
current world we cannot.
Facebook,
Okay.
WhatsApp,
Okay.
Emails, songs,
Twitter,
videos.
Okay.
email.
Now, so data is information. That means data is information. That means groceries data, banking data, college data, insurance data, movie data, all these are called data. Now, where the data will store? Where the data will store?
Database.
Database. Again,
Database.
after that, only database. Any others?
Database, file.
Okay. Yeah, data will store in the form of the basic. Okay. The data will store in the form of table or a file. The data will be stored either in the table or in the form of a file. Okay. And there are many ways to store the data. Leave out those things. The basic ways are data can be stored as in the form of a table or in the form of a file. Okay. Now, what is the table? What is the table?
Collection of rows and columns.
Collection of rows and columns. Yes. Collection of rows and columns is called a table. Collection of rows and columns is called a table. If I show you this, okay, if you see this, okay, so this horizontal row is called this horizontal thing is called a row. This is called a column. This is called a row. This is called a column. If a table, if the data is stored in the form of rows and columns, is called a table. If the data is stored in the form of rows and columns, rows also called as records, columns also called as fields or attributes. Rows also called as columns, okay, and rows also called as records. Rows also called as records. Columns also called as fields or attributes. Okay, we can say that this is having how many records? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 records. It is having 4 records or 4 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns or 5 fields or 5 attributes. Okay, this is called what is this called? Table. Okay, this is called a table. Okay, now a table is a collection of rows and columns. Now, where these tables will store? Where these tables will store?
Tables will be stored in database. Excel,
database. Okay, see, data will come in the form of table or a file. Okay, if the data is coming in the form of table and if the data is coming in the form of rows and columns, it is called a table. If the data is coming in the form of file, that is called a data file or a flat file. We'll park file now. We'll see about the file after 2-3 sessions. Now we'll concentrate on tables now. A table is a collection of rows and columns. Table will be stored under database. Tables will be stored under database. A database is a collection of tables. First, table is a collection of rows and columns, and database is a collection of tables. What are the databases you know? I'm not asking Oracle database, SQL Server database. In real time, in our day-to-day activities, what databases you will see? What databases you will see?
Hard disk.
Your
Pen
phone
drive.
book on Android, your phone book is a database.
Pen drive,
Okay.
memory card.
No, not like that. Movie
Textbook
database,
database,
movie
Google
database.
student database.
Banking records
Yes,
database.
yeah, banking database, movie
Yeah.
database, groceries database, insurance database. Okay, these are all the
It
things.
can be a library database also.
If you see this, yes, office database, college database, movie database, customer database, banking, retail, insurance, hospital, all these things are called databases. Data will be stored in these databases. They will handle, if you want to handle your office should have some data. The data will be stored in the form of tables and in the form of tables, and those tables will be stored in your database. Now, how to access the database? How to access the database? By using database
Query.
technologies. By using
Database.
database technologies. What are the database technologies we have in market? Oracle, MS SQL Server, MS MySQL, Teradata, DB2, Netizen, NoSQL, PostgreSQL, Greenplum, MongoDB, Snowflake, Cassandra, MS Access, FoxPro. These are all different database technologies. Nowadays, every company is having their own database. Okay. So, but the first one until now, there is nothing. That means the importance of Oracle is still there. Oracle is the basic database, I can say, database technology. It's almost from 35 years, not 35, 40 years, Oracle is there. Okay, so Oracle, it's not lose its importance. Still, many people, many companies, many projects are using Oracle. Okay, so now to access these tables, to create the tables, to edit the tables, or to drop the tables, to delete the tables, to update the tables, where we will do by using any one database. If you know any one database, that is more than enough as of now. Whatever the queries you will use, whatever the commands we'll use in SQL Server also, little differently we will use it. That's it. Same thing we'll use in Teradata also. Architecture may be different, but queries will be same. You no need to worry. Be clear on Oracle, please. Be clear on Oracle SQL at least. So to access the database, to access the tables, we should have a database technology called Oracle. So in our training, we'll see about Oracle tool. We'll see about Oracle tool. What is this Oracle? Sorry, Oracle database. Oracle database, we'll see. Oracle is having two parts. Oracle is having two parts, SQL, PLSQL. What are those? SQL, PLSQL. What is SQL? What is SQL?
Structured query language.
Structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. So for our training purpose, for your interview purpose, if you know about Oracle SQL very clear, that is more than enough. You no need to learn PLSQL. If you have already PLSQL knowledge, then it will be added for you. If you don't have it, then no need to learn about it as of now. To attend any interview, Oracle SQL is enough. I will give whatever we will use in our system, that means in our project into Informatica. I will tell Oracle SQL concepts also. Okay, that is about this. Now, when you go to the bank, suppose, as I told you, banking database, banking database, banks daily transactions will happen. Okay, all these things will store in the table. These tables will store in databases. Yes or no? Is it correct?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, when you deposit, suppose you go at 10 suppose I go to ICICI Bank at 10 o'clock, I given to the cashier, I given 10,000 rupees to the cashier to deposit my money. Will you write a select state? Will you write a insert? Will you write a create table statement? Create table name customer, then insert. He will write it. How he will do it?
No.
He will do it.
He will be having some application.
He will be having a front end application like this. Suppose like we have, right? This is a front end application. No, if you are seeing, okay, this is a front end application. Yes or no? Like this, he will be having in his system. Okay, he will be having customer ID, customer name, debit, credit, transaction date, okay, address, all these things. When you enter customer ID, when you enter customer ID, all your information will display. What you are doing? You are depositing 10,000. So in the debit, in the credit, he will write 10,000. And when you click on save, that will go and save in the database. Backend, it will go and save in the table. If they are using Oracle database, if your ICICI Bank is using Oracle database, there it will go and that Oracle database server, it will go and save it in the form of table. That's how wherever, if you go to Big Bazaar, if you take the groceries, what he will do? He will enter all the groceries and he will click print. When he click print, a print will give, and internally it will go and save in the database. In the Big Bazaar database, it will save. So that's how it will be. Okay, that is about database. Are you clear about database, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I tell about in detail about database means normally, as I told you, Oracle we are using in our training, we are using Oracle. Now how to access Oracle? We will be having a Oracle SQL developer, where it will be once you install whatever I given. If you follow my video, this Oracle SQL developer will install. Open it. When you open Oracle SQL developer, okay, it will open like this. It will open Oracle SQL developer. Okay. It will open like this. Now, okay, this is Oracle is a database. Oracle is having different types of schema. Normally, when I say what is a database means, database is collection of schema. Okay, so what is Oracle database? Oracle database is a collection of schema. What are the schemas? Are you seeing all these things? These are all schema. HR schema, info DOM schema, okay, or info repo, OTSR, CDEV, all these things are called schema. Are you clear? Database is a collection of schema. Now, what is a schema? Schema is collection of database objects. Schema is collection of database objects. Okay, so database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of database objects. What are the database objects? You know, tables, views, all these are database objects. Tables, views, schemas, indexes, packages, processes, functions, synonyms, all these called database objects. One of the database object is called a table. Okay, are you clear, please? Everybody, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Bro,
Yes, yes.
schema we can call otherwise as users also, correct?
Sorry, come again.
Schemas are nothing but users.
Yeah, users. Schema also call it as a user. Schema also call it as a user in Oracle. So it's either a user or a schema. Okay. Are you clear, please? So Oracle database or any database, Oracle database or SQL Server, Teradata, whatever it is, it's a collection of schema. So schema is a collection of tables. Schema is a collection of database objects. That is tables, views, synonyms, packages, all these things. Okay. Now you know what is the data, how the data is got stored. You know, right? Did you know, please? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear, please? Now we'll go to ETL. What is ETL? I told, extract the data from source, transform it, load the data to the destination or a target or a data warehouse, whatever it is. What it will do? It will extract the data, it will transform the data, it will load it to the destination. It will extract the data from source, transform it, load it to data warehouse or target. See, you can extract the data from doc file, CSV, XLS, PDF, Oracle database, SQL Server database, data stage, that what is this? IBM DB2 database, other database, you can extract. Transform means we will change the data based on your business rule. As per your client requirement, you can change it. You can clean the data, or you can remove the duplicates, or you can convert the data type conversion, or you can summarize the data, aggregate the data. All these things are called transform. Once you transform the data will load into data warehouse. From the data warehouse, the reports will generate. This is called ETL process. Extract the data from source, transform the data by using any ETL tool like Informatica, and load it to destination or a target or a data warehouse. In the ETL process, source can be a table, target can be a table. Source can be a file, target can be a file. Okay, so source can be 5 tables, target can be 5 files. Source can be from SQL Server, one table from Oracle database, one table from SQL Server database. We will join these two based on a common column. We'll transform it and we'll load it to target. Okay, this is called ETL process. Are you clear what is ETL process? Are you clear, please? Any doubts in ETL process?
Bro, what is deduplication? What is deduplication?
Where is deduplication? It's a duplication. Maybe that is
Okay.
So that's a spelling mistake. It's a duplication. That's it.
Okay,
Deduplication maybe duplication remove. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Next, please.
I think it means copying.
Yeah, maybe whatever it is. Okay. So are you clear about it, please? What is ETL? What is ETL? Are you clear?
The source and the targets are the
Yes, sir.
files itself.
Anything. A source can be, or a target can be a file, or a table, or anything. A XML file, or anything. Anything can be a source. There is no rule that only table is a source, or a table is a file. Sorry, or a source is a file, or source is, or target is a file, or target is a table. There is no rule like that. Okay. Clear, please? Are you clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what
Any
is
doubt
the-
in ETL process?
Sir, what is the initial increment and full refresh?
I'll tell. All those things I'll tell in the sessions. Okay. So now, why we are using Informatica? So what is the use of Informatica now? What is the use of Informatica? So there will be three purposes of Informatica Power Center. One is, suppose if I have the old database, if I have the new database, if I want to copy the code from old database to new database, we will use Informatica Power Center. If I have 4 databases, suppose 5 tables in Oracle database, 5 tables in SAP HANA database, 5 tables in SQL Server, 5 tables in other database, we'll join all these 5 tables, all these tables by using Informatica, and we'll load it to databases. Or you have application A, application B. If you want to access the application B from A, we will use Power Center also. That is called application integration. But 90% of the people in the projects, they are using this purpose for ETL purpose. Extract the data from different databases or different files, transform it by using Informatica, load it to data warehousing. For this purpose, we are using Informatica. Now, Informatica is having Informatica, as I told you, see, you can extract the data from a flat file or a CSV file or a transaction table, and we can transform it by using Informatica, and we'll load it to transformation. We'll load into data warehouse, then the reports will generate. Okay, so this is how it will be. Now, so what Informatica is having, okay, once you install Informatica, you can see like this. Once you install Informatica in your system, you will be installing 2 things in your system: Informatica server, Informatica client. Somebody already installed Informatica already. So did you install server first? Whoever installed already?
Yes, I installed.
Yes,
sir.
yes. First you will install.
Yes, sir, I will be.
Yes. First you will install Informatica server, then you will install Informatica client. What are those Informatica server? What are those Informatica clients are? When you install Informatica, go to start, all apps. Here you will see, if you see here, Informatica 10.2.0. The current version, normally the latest version of Informatica is Informatica 10.5. But people, the stable version is Informatica 10.2.0. In my office, I'm still using Informatica 9.6.1. Okay, so you are learning a new tool, new version only. No need to worry about it. So Informatica 10.2.0, all these things you will be seeing. Okay, in that now Informatica is having 2 types of tools. One is client tools, server tools. Client tools, server tools. You will first install server tools, then you will install client tools. What are the server tools in Informatica? Integration service, repository service, domain, node. Have you created a domain while installing? Have you created a domain? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you created a repository service? Have you created integration service? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are called server tools. These are called server tools. See, I can give a VMware to you. I can give a VM. I can install in the VM. I can directly give the VM. But by using that, you will never understand to install how to install Informatica. That's why I created a step-by-step clean video by seeing that anybody can install Informatica. Did you install by seeing that video? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I clearly explained there how to install Informatica from starting to end. You no need to pay anything to install. Normally in Hyderabad, when you go to the Amirpet, they will take 15,000, 1,500 or 2,000. If you give the laptop, they'll take half an hour and they'll install. What they will install, they will give the VMware. Okay, so it's not like that. You should know how to install so that you will also know what is internally happening. You will know that. That's why I made a video. So you try to install it first by see the video step by step. You install it. If you stuck anywhere, then WhatsApp me. I will assign my team to help you. I have few people I hired few people who are who can help you in installation, they can. But first try yourself, please. Don't ask me directly to help. First try yourself. If you get any error, then post that error in the group. And who you are already installed, if you got the same error, try to help them others so that you will get good knowledge on installation also. Okay. So that is about. Now Informatica is having two types of.
Hi, Raj.
Yes, please.
I have one question. Do you have any video or any document for installing Informatica on Linux?
Linux, no, not required. Linux, we will never. That's a very, very tedious process. It's a very difficult process. I don't have it. Okay.
Okay.
So it's not required. Normally in real time, we never install Informatica server, whether it is in Windows or Linux. We never install. Okay, you no need to worry. If you don't know, also no need to worry. Okay. So only client tools we will install. That's it. We never install. That is the Informatica administrator part. There are three types actually. On Informatica, there are three types of roles. One is Informatica developer, one is Informatica administrator, another is ETL testing. Okay. So you are going to, as an Informatica developer, nobody will expect you to install Informatica in your office laptops. Install Informatica server on your office laptops. First of all, in your office laptop, when you go to project, you will not install, you will not be having Informatica access to server access at all. That means you will not be having install server. They will give the access to that server. That's it. They will give the domain name. They'll give the repository name. They'll give the host name. They'll give the gateway port. They'll give the user ID password. Directly, you can, by using client tools, you can easily connect it. But you need to install client tools is easy, no? Client tools, what is it? Unzip it, next, finish. That is right. Client tools are very easy to install. So in real time, you will install only client tools. So there are 4 types of Informatica client tools. In real time, you will be working on these 4 tools. What are those? Power Center Designer, Repository Manager, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor. Where you can see those start, all apps, Informatica 10.2.0. Here I are seeing DRWM. D means designer, W means manager, M means monitor, R means repository. Okay, this is how. If you want to launch anyone, click on this. Okay, Power Center Designer will open. If you want to launch any other application, you can launch from here only. No need to go to start again. If you click on R, Repository Manager will open. If you click on W, Workflow Manager will open. If you click on M, Workflow Monitor will open. Okay, these are called Informatica. These are called what? Informatica client tools. These are called Informatica client tools. Okay, so you will be, as an Informatica developer, you will be working on only Informatica client tools. You will never work on server tools. You no need to worry. Nobody will expect you to answer the administrator part questions, or nobody will expect you to install Informatica in real time. Okay, but still you know how to install. Still you know how to install. Yes, please.
Just one thing. So many times interviewer may ask that which server that your Informatica is using. Is it a Windows server or is it a Unix or Linux server? So in that case,
tell anyone. You can tell Windows also. I worked in 7 projects in my whole 11 years. I worked in 7 to 8 projects. In 7 to 8 projects, 5 projects I worked on Linux server. 2 projects I worked on Windows server. You can tell Windows server only. No problem. Okay. But I will give the experience. I will show you in Linux also how it will work. I will show you. Okay. So I will tell you all those things. Don't worry. Okay. In Unix, how to work on Informatica, I will show you. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Actually, ETL support comes under which category? ETL support team.
Informatica developers also will work as a support. That is different thing. Okay. There will be three kinds of projects. One is development project, maintenance project, support project. Under Informatica, suppose you are an Informatica developer. Under Informatica, there are 3 types of projects. One is development project, testing project, development project, maintenance project, and support project. If you get the development project, you will learn so many things. If you learn maintenance project, you will learn less things. If you get production support project, you will learn very less things. Developers only will support, not anybody. Okay. You can get any type of project. You should be ready to do any project. Don't worry.
If we learn developing everything, we can know, right, sir?
Sorry?
if we learn this development, everything we can manage, right?
Yes, you can manage. Yes.
Okay.
But try to avoid the production support projects. Try to avoid the production support projects because you are new. When you go to production support, you will never learn. Daily same thing you will do it. So better go to development project. 1 year you do hard work. Then that 1 year you will learn Informatica, you will get experience. Then after that you can easily manage anything. I will tell all those things later. Okay.
Okay.
What kind of projects? What is dev repository? What is test repository? What is production repository? What is incremental load? What is parameterization? All the real-time concept is, see, I am not a trainer. Like, I don't have an institute. First of all, I don't have a physical institute. I am not a trainer. Okay. I am a Informatica working professional. Okay. I know I have interviewed many people in my experience from when I have 5 years onwards till here. I have interviewed many people for my project, for my company. I know for 3+ what answers they will ask, for 5+ what they will ask, for 1+ they will ask what they will ask. Everything, whatever I am saying, every session is important, please. Every session is a real-time session in this training. Not like take the EMP table, do the filter, take the DEPT table, finish. It is not like this space. It's not like that. We'll take a mapping document. We'll take a real-time mapping document, how you will get the requirement in your real-time. Like that, I will show the mapping document and I will explain the requirement, how to implement that requirement. I will show you so that you will feel very easy in the interviews and also in projects. Okay. 30 sessions means each and every session is important, please. Okay. Don't miss any sessions. 30 days, somehow you manage 30 days. Okay. Next, your life will be, see, many people, they joined the training for 20%, 30% hike. Okay. They got 100, 200% hikes. One girl, still I remember. Okay. Her name is Neha. Okay. She is Pune. She is working as a BPO, some company. Okay. Same for the Priyanka, Deepthi, their friends. Okay. She was getting, she's not married. Okay. She's just like 3 years experience. After the college passed out, she went to BPO directly and she was working in BPO. Her package is somewhere around 25 to 30,000 she is getting per month. After all night shift allowances, after all that. She thought that if I get 40,000 without night shift, I am okay. Now she is taking the salary 80,000 per month. She is taking in Informatica 80,000 per month. She told me, I did not expect this kind of salary on Informatica. Okay. I got that too in this. If I am married, if I am having kids, then that's not a problem. Okay. Because 80,000 is a small thing. For a bachelor, 80,000 is not a small thing, please. Per month, 80,000 take home. She got it. Okay. She got 80,000 and she is working. She joined already. She is working successfully. Okay. She told that, okay. She told that I did not expect this kind of package. So you no need to worry. You just practice. You will get it more than what you want. I am not saying simply, please. See, because I got the reviews, I have the people whoever already got the jobs. You might have seen the screenshots. When you get a job, when you tell me, I will also post your screenshot. Okay. People will think that in Facebook, many people are thinking that these screenshots are written by myself. That means I will send my friend that how is my training? He will get the review. No, never. I have 400 screenshots. That means I have every screenshot from every student. That means I have 800 screenshots I have. Okay. So I cannot give 800 screenshots. I cannot send to 800 people to get the fake review. No, never. I don't have a single fake review, please. I don't have it. Okay. So you will also give the review in the website, in the YouTube. See, already people are giving the reviews. In the 8th batch, if you see the 8th batch, okay, enrolled courses, if you see 8th batch, they are giving the reviews. You see the reviews? See the reviews? They are all giving the reviews. Same way, you will also give the reviews. Okay. But outside trainers, what they're thinking is, I'm giving the fake review. Let them. I don't mind what people will think about me. Okay. Whoever trained by me, if they got benefited, that is more than enough for me. Okay. I don't want a single rupee more than 50. If you get 20 lakhs also, I will not ask a single rupee from you. Okay. I'm not that kind of a person, please. Okay. My fees is 15,000. That's it I wanted. I will give whatever you wanted. So the only thing from you is you have to do the hard work. That's it. Okay. So that is about these things. So why I am saying again and again is people are ignoring the practice. Okay, they are thinking that, okay, tomorrow I can practice, or 30 days over. Okay, then they will try to practice. Then already interviews, they will be, interviews will be there. They cannot read in one day. So don't do like that. Just 35 days, focus on the hard work. You will get, I'm saying, you will get more than what you want. Okay, you will get more than what you wanted. Okay, so that is about client tools and server tools. These are all about, actually morning there was discrepancy in my flat. There was some drilling happening in my flat. So I was unable to take more things on morning. Morning, whatever I take, evening, same thing will be repeated. Okay. So till here, I told in morning, that's it. Okay. That's why. So I am stopping here. So for morning. Okay. So next session will be on Monday. So what you need to do is, otherwise I could have explained till here architecture also I could have finished, but morning, unfortunately, I could not have finished. So because if I tell now, morning people will miss. Okay. So we'll go slowly. Initially, we will go slowly because people should understand. There are people who don't know what is the table is in our training. They should understand better. For them, we should help them. If you know already what is SQL, what are the queries, so please bear with me. Maybe the session is boring for you, but for others, they should get up to the speed. Okay. So what you need to do is, okay, so by Sunday evening, after this, I'll send this video to you. After this, I'll directly, okay, maybe that website developer is holiday today. Okay, I will send this video. I'll send this video in the group. You can watch this video. Morning people also watch the video if you want. Okay. So, and also you please install Informatica. I'll send the links and video to, again, from Monday, there is no theory session, please. From Monday, all are implementations. I will be implementing in front of you. You have to seeing that, you will be listening that, you will be practicing after the sessions. Okay. And I'll give the notes, I'll give the PPTs, everything I will give. Okay. Nowhere I'm saying, I can proudly say, nowhere you will see this kind of training. Okay. So you will get the best training from me. Only thing you need to do is you have to do the hard work. That's it I will expect from you. That's it. Clear, please?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I have two questions.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah, one by one.
Yes, sir. Sir, we're practicing in our own personal laptops. Is it required to install both server and the client of Informatica?
Yes.
What is the importance of Informatica server? If we don't have it and we use only client, will that function?
No, you will not, right? Because repository will be stored under server. Informatica, everything will be stored under repository. The repository will store under server. So to work on, this is front-end tools. Repository manager, designer, manager, monitor, front-end tools. These are the back-end tools. Okay, whatever you are working, it will be stored under here. So server also required. Without server, you cannot work on client. Clear?
Okay, sir. And second question is, can I install Informatica on Macintosh?
No, only Windows, please. Sorry for that.
Yeah.
They have not given the Mac version, only on Windows. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Next, please. Next question.
Sir, in case of client and server, no, in projects or interviews, they are asking about Unix. So, which means server is installed in Unix and the client is installed in
Windows. Yes. Always client will be installed under Windows. Server may be installed under Windows or may be installed under Unix. Anything can happen. Okay. Some projects they will install under Windows server. Some projects they will install under Unix server. But client will be on Windows only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Though they are from Windows and Unix, still the communication can happen.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Bro,
one
in
more
your
doubt.
Informatica, bro, in your Informatica, I was seeing the 3 repositories they're created. So in your installation video, right? By looking at your looking at your video, I have installed the Informatica and I created one repository. So how to create multiple repository?
I will tell. When I tell about test repository, prod repository, I will tell how to create multiple repositories. I will tell. As of now, one repository is more than enough. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
As of now, to work on our training, one repository is more than enough. Okay.
Okay.
I will
thank
show you. Maybe when I tell about dev repository, production repository, test repository, I will ask you to create more repositories. You can create at the time.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next, please.
Sir, in the coming classes, when you are explaining something, we should just listen, or we should go on like.
No, don't do anything. Just listen. Just listen carefully. Understand it. If you have any questions, ask it.
Okay.
That's it.
We should practice afterwards.
Afterwards. Always practice.
Okay,
Don't practice in the session, please. If you try to practice, you will never get it. You try whatever I will explain in a clear-cut manner, in the slowest manner. I will tell you in an understandable manner. You just understand it. If you have any doubts, ask it. If I tell any interview question, important interview question, means note it down in the pen and paper or open the notepad. Better take a pen and paper and note it down. Later, you type it in the notepad. Okay.
So do you have any personal notes or anything printed material to pass on?
Entire material I will be sending day by day material, not an entire material. Okay. Day by day I will share. Like this, you will get 30 zip files. As I shown you, right? Here I have 30 zip files. You see batch 7.
Yeah.
Okay, you will be having 30 zip files, you will get it in the website. All you can download it and you can save your system. Every session is having a PPT. Every session is having a PPT. Okay, and the tables, if I give any tables, DDLs, DMLs, all these things I will give to you. Okay, whatever I am showing in the session, everything will be sent to you. Don't worry. Okay, so today's notes. If you see the notes of today's, see like this. I'll show you one more. Something else I'll show you. See notes. If you see all the notes I will be giving like this. You can take this notes. Okay, like this. So whatever I will be telling, all those things will be here. So what is my kind request is when I give a video 1 to 8, don't see the video first of all. Try to implement the methods, because when you go to the projects, they will not give the video and they will ask you to implement. No video, nothing will be there. You have to implement individually. From here, when you practice individually, there also you can practice individually. Okay? Clear, please?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir, I have one doubt. Like, I'm currently working on Informatica product support. So, like, they're asking me like to have some cloud experience too. So, will the cloud experience, like, will the cloud topic will be covered in your training, or do I need to?
I will not cover any cloud topic, but I will send a video which is explaining what is Informatica Cloud, how to install Informatica Cloud, how to do one mapping in Informatica Cloud. Okay, I will send a video before this course ends. Okay, so you can take it forward and you can learn yourself on Informatica Cloud. Okay, when they ask you about Informatica Cloud in your project, you should have asked me. You should have asked them that I don't have cloud experience. Give me some training. You have always rights to ask that, because you are not a cloud resource. Correct. Get the knowledge from cloud means where should I get? Send some material.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should ask them.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
But I will show you how to install cloud in your system, Informatica Cloud in your system, how to do one mapping before completion of this training. I will give one video. Okay, and you can install yourself in your laptops, in your personal laptops, and you can try cloud also. And I will put in the resume strong experience in strong knowledge in ISCS, so that you can say that I have knowledge, but I don't have experience. You can say that. Okay.
Okay.
Clear,
yes.
please? Next.
So what is the difference between Informatica Cloud and cloud computing?
Cloud computing is different. Cloud computing is this AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Informatica Cloud, all these things will come under cloud computing. Informatica is one under cloud computing. That's it. Whoever you are seeing cloud means, that is called a cloud computing. Okay. These and all will come under that. That's it. Okay. Now Java, .NET all come under software technologies, right? These are all software Java, okay, .NET, C, C++. These are languages. Okay. Same way, these are all cloud technologies. What are these? AWS, Amazon Web Services, okay, or Google GCP, Google Cloud Platform, or what is the next one? MuleSoft. There are many things are there on cloud. So those are cloud technologies. That's it.
Okay.
Next, please.
Raj, how much is the volume of data warehouse fresh projects or maintenance projects or the production support? How much of the volume?
That I cannot say. There are n number of things are there. There are n number of things are there. You will see. You will get any kind of a project, but less development projects, more maintenance and more production support projects. Less, I can say, I cannot say less also, because still I have many people from my training, they got development projects. Okay. So development projects also there, but not from scratch maybe. They're already developing it, they're maintaining it. You have to go for a maintenance. That's it. So you will work on Informatica Process only, don't worry. Okay.
So
Next,
most
please.
of the maintenance projects are in there.
Most are maintenance and production support, most. But still development projects also there. There'll be new requirements will be coming. New requirements will be coming. New requirements they will be developing. Okay. Next, please.
Hi,
Bro,
sir.
bro, you are telling after 8 sessions there won't be any recording session. So in case if we stuck in anywhere, what we need to do?
In case if you have to struck means you have to ask me in the next session.
Okay.
In the next session, you have to ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, you are teaching. Sir, you are teaching.
7:15. I will start the session. I will start at 7:15. Okay. If you have any errors, you share your desktop. First of all, don't share the desktop simply. Try to resolve your error by Google search. You can Google search this error, you will get it. You can easily get it. If still you are unable to do it, then go on mute, please. If you are unable to do it, then next session, in the next tomorrow, you will be sharing your desktop. I will be rectifying within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay.
Sure, bro, sure. Thank you.
Next.
Sir, your teaching videos are there in your notes.
Sorry, come again.
Your teaching videos are there in your notes.
Your teaching videos are there in your notes means, can you come again, please?
No.
So whatever you're teaching right now, all documents and details is available in your.
Yes, the documents will be available. Whatever I am showing in the video, whatever I am showing in the class, everything I will give it to you. This PPT I will give you. If I show it,
detail will be available in that notes.
All those things. Only videos I will not provide. 1 to 8, first session to 8th session video only I will provide. After that, you have to do individually without video. Then only you will get the job. Clear, please. But whatever I am explaining in the video, whatever I am explaining in this one, I will be giving in the form of PPTs. I will be giving in the form of XML files. The mappings I will give you, workflows, everything I will give you. You can refer them if you get any doubts. Are you clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
After 8 sessions, we have to attend all classes right now. We have to attend all 30 classes.
All eight sessions also you need to attend. See, today is the first session, you need to attend. Next 30 sessions you need to attend. Yes.
I understood about that. If you miss any class,
if you miss any one or two, if you miss any one or due to travel issues or health issues, if you miss one or two, then I can provide that. Then you ask me, I'll give the private access. If you ask me daily basis on the video, I will.
No, sir. For 1 or 2 times only we have to.
1 or 2, so I am okay, because everybody will be getting health problems. Everybody having travel issues. If you try to don't miss, if you miss, there is no other way means I will provide that video. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next, please.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, sir. As you said early in the class, I'm also belongs to non-IT. So how should I?
Which year passed out you are?
Sir.
Which year?
2018.
2018.
Yes, sir.
What you have studied in 2018?
MBA, sir.
MBA. After that, what you have done?
I have worked in rural sector bank as a cashier.
Okay.
So then I switched into IT industry, sir.
Okay. IT industry, what you are doing?
Currently, I'm doing nothing, sir.
Nothing? Okay, you can try for 3+ fake experience. No problem. You try for 3+ or 2+ fake experience. I will guide you all those. See, there will be, you can ask me anytime, you can ping me anytime for your career guidance questions. I have this year I passed out. This I have done. What I should do after that? You can ask me anytime in the WhatsApp. Maybe, see, I will be very busy. Okay, because handling 150 people is not a small thing. You don't know, if I open WhatsApp now, I will be getting at least 30 WhatsApp messages. I need to answer them. One by one, I will answer. Maybe I will answer late, but surely I will answer. Okay. So don't worry. You can ask the questions anytime for me. Okay. So you always WhatsApp me. Okay. Because see, previous batch people will be asking some questions. You people will be asking. Next batch, future batch, they will be asking. So 24 hours is less to me, really, I'm saying. I am currently working go on mute, please. I am working in HTC Global Services as a Informatica architect. That means as a senior technical lead, I am working. I need to do office work also. Okay. So all these things I am managing. So maybe it will be delay in response, but surely we will get a response. Okay.
Okay,
so
sir.
for sure you will get a response. You always ask me for anything. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, you said architects. No, sir. So architects in this sense, you will be design. Architects need to provide design, do the development, right? Development design.
Not only development, we will design. I will design the data model. I'll design the dimension model. Okay. In some of the project I designed. Now I am working as a senior technical lead. Under me, there are 10 people, 11 people are there. I'll be managing the team. Okay. In the same way, I'll be working as a ETL architect also. Okay. Because I'm having 11 years experience from past 2 years onwards, I'm working as a ETL architect. Okay.
Okay.
Next, please.
So in this course, we can learn the designing also. Only development.
Designing not required. Not required designing. If you learn everything, if you learn more things, then you will not remember all these things. Okay. So, whatever it is for 3 plus 5 plus, I will tell all those things. Yeah. Okay. Unnecessary things, we'll leave it. That will come by experience. Don't worry. Okay. Next, please. Next, any other questions?
Sir, are there any standard certifications in Informatica which is required and asked in the interviews?
No. In Informatica, like AWS, like DevOps, we can easily get the certification. No, there. Okay. In Azure, we can easily get. We can download the dumps. We can write the certification. But Informatica is not like that. Nobody will ask you Informatica certification in interview. Informatica certifications are very tough. At least you should have 7 to 8 years real-time experience to get. And that too, there are many certifications are there in Informatica. Nobody will ask you, expect your certification in Informatica. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear, please. Nobody will expect you. Nobody will ask you also, did you complete Informatica certification? Nobody will ask you. Next, please. Next, please.
So Informatica evergreen, sir, means somebody is saying that it will be like old model and all some questions.
First of all, don't listen to the people. Okay.
Yeah.
If you listen to the people, you cannot do the work. Listen to me. I'll give the correct guidance to you.
Yes, sir. I also faced this problem.
So don't worry, please. See, yes, they are moving Informatica Power Center is moving to cloud. Yes, that is correct. But nobody can move tomorrow only. It is not so easy. When you want to move to the cloud means you should know cloud, you should know Power Center both. First, what they are doing, they are slowly training cloud. They are slowly, every company, they are training the Informatica Power Center people to cloud. After, it will take at least 5 years to move completely from Power Center to cloud. You no need to worry about it. You will get the cloud experience also in your projects. For sure, you will get it. They will give the training. That is good sign for you. Okay.
First of all, Power Center is important.
Yes. Without Power Center, you cannot work on MDM. Without Power Center, you cannot work on BDM. Without Power Center, you cannot work on ISCS. Without Power Center, you cannot work on anything. That means Informatica tools at least. So you first stop listening, stop asking the questions to the people. If you have any questions, ask me. I am there in the industry for 11 years. I am still working on Informatica Power Center. Okay. So I know what is what. So no need to listen to any others. What is our expectation now? We should get a job easily. That's it. You no need to worry about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next, please.
Sir, can you please tell me how to get a PDF in your website, sir?
Okay. So go to rajinformatica.com. Okay. Rajinformatica.com. RAJIN. If you can Google it. You can Google Raj Informatica directly. You will get first. Okay. See rajinformatica.com. Open it. First, you need to log in. If you're logged out, you have to log in. If you log in once, then it will be login only. It will not. So once you log in, so now this student section is your section. Okay. This student section, go to anyone. Go to dashboard. When you go to the dashboard, it will be showing like this. Here also you can. Otherwise, you go to enrolled courses. Otherwise, you go to join live session, evening.
Okay.
Then here you are seeing all the topics. Today is Informatica, Introduction to Informatica. Today, this is installation steps. These are installation steps by default are given. Okay. These are installation steps PDF also by default are given. Okay. Next is Introduction to Informatica lesson 1. Here you will get it. I'll show you the 8th batch. 8th batch I have it. So 8th batch. If you see the 8th batch, evening. Okay. Now here are you seeing? Here right side, Introduction to Informatica, open, lesson 1. Then you will get the video here and also Google Drive link. Same way, second day, lesson 2. You will get the video and the Google Drive. Lesson 3. Like that, till lesson 8, you will have the videos. Till lesson 8, you will have the videos. See, till lesson 8, you will have the videos. After lesson 8, you will be having only zip files. No videos. Lesson 9, zip file. Lesson 10, zip file, like this. Okay. Lesson 11, zip file, like this. You can download it from to your system. Okay.
Okay.
So
now
after what time we will, after what time we will upload
morning 12 o'clock, evening 10 o'clock. You will get the documents. Okay. Somehow if it is get late means I will directly give the zip file in the WhatsApp group. Okay. If it normally I have a website developer. I have a website developer who will take care of all these things. Okay. So he will do it actually. Okay. If you do it late, then I will give the directly to the group. At least 9:30, 10 o'clock it will be there. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. Because we have to practice, then we have to read something.
Yes, you will get it. If you don't get it, put it in the group. I will send directly the zip file in the group itself. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So one thing on you is whoever not registered, all these steps you please take it out. Okay, and do it today or tomorrow only. Once you get the almost all people got the enrollment IDs. Whoever not got the enrollment IDs, okay, you can. I will send them anyways tomorrow or today. I will send them. Okay, you can get it and you can do it. Are you clear, please?
Yeah.
So with the enrollment ID only we can register, right?
Yeah, with enrollment ID only you will register. If you give any wrong enrollment ID here or any wrong Gmail ID which you don't give it to me, then I will not approve. Simple.
Only that mail ID which
only one Gmail ID will be used for registration, for Zoom registration, for everything, for Zoom account creation. Everything will be only one Gmail ID.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Fine, guys. Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So anything else, please?
No, sir.
So do you think my session is interesting or boring?
Yes, sir. Interesting.
So you never know the time how 2 hours will go. This is theory session. But when I go to the practical session, that means implementation session, you will never know that how 2 hours went. Okay. Like that kind of thing I will give it. Don't worry. Okay. So just you have to practice. That's it. Don't ignore the practice, please. Just practice. Okay. Practice as much as you can. Okay. Fine, guys. Any other doubts?
Sir, regarding software, we can install in Windows 7 also?
No, Windows 8 at least. 10.2.0 supports from Windows 8 only.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So try to install instead of taking Windows 10. Install Windows 10. Sorry, instead of installing Windows 8, install Windows 10 or 11. That's better. Install Windows 10. That's better. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Clear, please. Any other doubts?
Bro, one last question. What are the advantages over Informatica 9.6?
There are. I will tell. Wait for it. I'll tell. What are the difference between 9.x to 10.x? What is that? I'll tell. Okay.
Okay.
Next, please. Any other doubts, please?
Sir, actually, I'm totally from non-IT. So right now I'm working in BPO. So like right now you are using like technical words. So somewhat like it is very new to technical words to me. So yeah, right now what you said, it's like very interesting. The technical also I can learn. I got some interest regarding this. It's very, yes sir, it's very good sir.
Yeah, so don't worry. First 3-4 it will be the terminology will be difficult for you. After you adjust it to my training, then you will understand whatever I say, and these things also very easy to you. That means the terminology also you will get it, you will understand very easy. First 3-4 it may be difficult for you, that's it. After 3-4 you can play with it, okay? But whatever it is saying, whatever I am saying, you should take it forward. You should practice on the same day. Don't ignore the practice. When you do it, it will be easy for you, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, any other doubts, please?
Sir, you are telling Informatica production support and Informatica development now. What will be the roles and responsibility of the?
I will tell. In one session, I will tell how the Informatica production support will work, how project will work. Everything I will tell in some day. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, please.
Sir, shall we record our class when you are explaining in there?
I am recording already. Only I can record. Nobody can record. Okay.
So that for the references. So
yeah, 1 to 8 I will give for sure. After that, you have to without record. So please don't see people. Everybody has see all the trainers has did the training like this. Okay, we'll give the see if they give video, if they don't have it anything in the video, what is the use of giving video? If you don't explain, and if you are giving the video, if you don't explain properly, and if you are giving the video, then what is the use of it? No use of it. Okay. So first of all, don't expect the video. Don't see the video. Try to do yourself. That's what I'm saying. Whatever there in the video, I will be providing in the PPTs. The same thing you will be in the PPTs. You can read also. Okay. Fine.
Yes. Thank you.
Next, please.
Schema is collection of database objects, right?
Database of objects, yes. But database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of database objects. Database objects are, what are database objects? Tables, views, synonyms, packages, procedures, functions, triggers, indexes, all these are called database objects. I will tell how to create a schema, how to create a table, how to create a schema, how to create a table on Monday. Okay, next session is on Monday. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Clear, please? So please join by 9:07. If it is evening, join by 7:15. Morning means join by 9:15. Okay. So join. Always check my WhatsApp groups. Okay. Always check the WhatsApp groups. Okay. So WhatsApp group, always check if all the updates will be coming to the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
Clear,
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so directly Monday will be the next session, right?
Next session is Monday. Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow it will be off.
Tomorrow and day after tomorrow will be off. Okay, because people should install and people will be joining. So Monday will be the next session.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
So
next, please.
From the next week, Saturday also will be class right now.
See, next week I'll tell. On Monday I will tell. Next Saturday, Sunday also not there. From here, next week leave it. From 28th onwards, every day, every weekly 6 days. Saturday will be there. Sunday will not be there. Okay. Sunday, weekly 6 days. Sunday will be holiday. From here. Okay. Next Saturday or Sunday also, because next week full people will be joining only. So we'll go slowly. We'll go slowly. Once we understand in clear-cut manner, then we'll go fast. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Initial sessions are very important. If you are very clear about first 3-4, then next 3-4 next one you can easily do it. Okay.
Bro, when the session will be complete? Next month.
I will tell maybe approximately. I will tell April 22nd or 29th in this 23rd or 30th, somewhere around this.
So during this time frame, the session will be completed.
Sorry.
During this time frame, the entire session will be.
Yes, completed. During the time frame. Yes. Yeah. 35 days from today, if you calculate, maybe by April 23rd or April 25th, or in this week, it'll finish.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Next, please. Next, any other doubts? Okay. Then
no, sir.
We'll see you on Monday then. So complete installation, complete registration, everything you complete, be ready on Monday. We'll take the implementation sessions on Monday. Okay. Now, so please, we'll see you on Monday. Is that fine, guys? We'll see you on Monday then. So happy Holi to everybody. Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Bye bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you all. Happy weekend.
Yeah. Thank you. Happy weekend to everybody. Thanks, please.